Fernando, before we go any further, let's remind people that you are open here at the factory, and you have been open all this time, and business is really good, and you still want to invite people in.
You know, the factory's been doing good, even this thing going in town and all over the world. We appreciate all the people from Cache Valley supporting all of these months and all these years, but this last month's been harder. But we're still here, and we don't plan to go anywhere.
Right. Well, you've been here a long time. Not you personally, but the factory's been here for decades, really.
Yeah, you know, I've been here for 28 years, so,
right. So
that's a long time.
Yeah.
But I'm still happy to do my job, and I still enjoy it. And I appreciate the whole people of Cache Valley and out of Cache Valley to support the factory, and thanks to, and hopefully we do the best we can. And actually, we want to offer special for the people following us in the Cache Valley channel.
Okay.
We're going to give it a free nachos when they buy a large pizza. They just got to mention to us and say, we hear they out in the Cache Valley channel, and you owe us a nacho. And we will honor the offer anytime.
And look at that deliciousness that they're going to get right here. A free nacho. So anybody following the Valley channel, you come in, you say, we saw this ad on the Valley channel, and we'd like to claim the free nachos, because they're not going to get it, are they, unless they mention the ad.
That's correct. Yeah, if they don't mention, we can give it to anybody. But if you mention, we sign you, say we're going to give you a free nacho. You earn your nachos right there, automatic.
And there they are, so good looking. Tell us a little bit about other things that have been going on. You're busy here all the time. You have certain nights, don't you, that you do things on?
You know, we have a Monday night special for the families to come.
Yeah.
You know, they get a couple drinks for free when they come on Monday nights. And we have a Wednesday night for the college kids, and people want to get a little bit out of this the stress relief, we call it. We have $1 draft and a $4 nachos, and I think that's a pretty good way to the kids to go out of the campus for a couple hours and study and come enjoy a good time to the factory.
Definitely. Tell us where we are, Fernando, and how we can find you guys.
We're located in 119 South Main in the basement. So anytime, we open 7 days a week from 11 to 11, or on the weekends 11 to midnight. And when the game's on, we stay open long as we need. And people knows me. If you call me later and I'm still here,
yeah,
I'm still gonna make you food.
Yeah, because you do support local sports, right?
Yeah, you know, I support, you know, like Logan High, Mount Crest, Skyview, Raceline,
yeah,
Green Canyon, you know, the Aggies. After the games, a lot of people come, and that's how we stay in business,
yeah,
just by the local people support me, so I'm happy to do what I do.
Well, definitely a local institution that we're all really glad you're still here. And you're right here on Main Street, you can't miss it. It says the factory right outside here. Come on down, claim your free nachos, because it doesn't get much better than free nachos, especially here at the factory. Thanks so much, Fernando.
Well, thank you, and I appreciate you guys for all the support for all these years, and hopefully we'll be here for a long time.
You will.
Thank you. I appreciate it.